Hi there, welcome to my channel. Thanks for watching. Here's my macros for the day. I figure I'll put them at the beginning of the video today. You can see all my calories and all that good stuff. And here we go. This is what I ate. Hello. We're going to get our stuff ready for tomorrow for work. And I got my lunchbox. And I told you I put everything in here if I need to take something to work. I've got a bunch of these drink enhancer, flavor enhancers. So I've got them in the bottom of it for tomorrow to remember to take to work. I set my coffee back there. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put together some cabbage. I'll take a cabbage salad. Okay. 85 grams, which is 1 serving of cabbage. Then I'm going to put, so this is something that I need to get rid of. I'm going to do 5 grams of Parmesan. The expiration date is the 23rd. So it's like, okay, I literally have maybe 2 servings. I don't know. So we're going to do 5 grams of Parmesan cheese. Alrighty. And then I'm going to put on some white sesame seeds. I'm telling you, if you are having to count, whatever it is you're having to count, if you don't have a scale, you need to get you one. Mine, I walked into Weight Watchers and got my scale right from them. Knowing darn well I wasn't doing Weight Watchers. I had a Weight Watchers before and it broke and I liked it. So I walked my happy self right on into Weight Watchers and said, hey, I need a scale. And they're like, okay, we'll take your money. Little did they know I needed the scale so I could do keto. But that's all right. They don't care. As long as they're getting money, they'll be happy with it. I'm going to put just a splat pinch of Greek seasoning on my salad, just for a little flavor. And then I'm going to put it in here for tomorrow. I'm going to need a spoon. I'll just take my big good shovel spoon. But I used to go to my grandma's. Here's the difference. I always talk about my spoons. That's the difference in spoons. This is a regular serving spoon, a regular eating spoon that most people eat. This is, I guess, like a soup spoon. But whenever I used to go to my grandma's, she always used this instead of this. So that's where I learned to just get my shovel spoon. So I'll take that. And tomorrow I'll start this is the 3 eggs. I think I cut them in half because I was thinking, putting them on the wrap. But I don't cut, I'm not eating the wrap. So anyway, tomorrow starts my 3 whole eggs instead of 2 eggs in a wrap. By the way, today's Sunday. And tomorrow I will also strain out the extra fat that's in there after I heat it up. Wait a minute, I need my Southwestern seasoning. Hang on. Anyway, I've been feeling much better since I've been dumping that excess rendered fat out. I'm not saying you need to do it. I'm just saying that's what I'm doing, and it seems like it's helping me. So this is a Mrs. Dash Southwestern Chipotle because I've got a salsa that's in here from one of the salsas that I made up. So I'll put some Chipotle in here. I'm going to put a little cilantro. Just a little. Evidently, I took the little shaker, about that much, maybe a teaspoon. I took the little shaker thing off of it. I take them off sometimes because, dadgummit, I get so mad. You shake and nothing comes out. I'm going to put a little cumin with it. That just sounds good. And just a dash of chili powder. Just a dash. Just a dash. There we go. Tomorrow's Monday, so starts a whole new work week. And things are going well at work, so Let's see. So I got my breakfast, my lunch, and I got a spoon. I'll take a fork just in case. I'm going to take a throwaway fork. I don't care about those. They don't have to be a big fork for whatever reason. But anyway, all right. So I got this is ready to go. And in the morning is going to be my first. If you watch me tonight, I put a squirt of that of the Torani sugar-free flavor syrup because, again, I got to get rid of some stuff because I don't want it to expire. Well, genius me put it in with the powder. So we're going to see how this is. In the next section, I'll add my hot water to it, and we'll see how it works. So keep your eye out from that. I never claimed to be the brightest crayon in the box. Okay, y'all, let's see what happens. It is like one solid congealed thing, so pray this works. Because I'll be super sad if I ruined all those portions. I guess really what I could do is add water to them and let them soak if I need to, but it's going super slow, but I think I'm going to let it sit. Hope it's getting better. I don't know if it's the shaking or the sitting or what, but it's moving little bits at a time. That's what's on the bottom. Let me give the dogs a treat just a second. It's still getting a little bit better. So here's what I think I'll do. I don't know. Maybe I'll take a couple of them and put them in the refrigerator with water and let them just absorb the water for the next couple days and see how that goes. Hang on. Okay, so I just put water in all of them. And some of them don't seem quite as bad. So I'm just going to put them all in and let them absorb the water and see what happens to them. But this one's getting better. Oh, yeah, this one's definitely getting better. So probably as I sip around on it. And then what I usually do in the last little bit of it, and when I'm done drinking on it at work, I'll add just a little bit more water in it to clean out because there is always stuff that is stuck on the bottom of it after I'm done drinking. So I just add a little more hot water to it and rinse it out and drink that. So, yeah. So I'll put all these in the refrigerator, and then I'll probably have to just use this to heat them up, even if I want to drink it hot, which I probably will. So, okay, bye. Okay, so y'all saw me hemming these pants yesterday. These are the kind of tweed looking pants. So, yeah. And this is the shirt. All this from the thrift store. The shirt was $2, I think. And the pants were probably $3 or $4. So, yeah. That's what I got from the thrift store. And I'm wearing that to work today. So, yeah. Don't count out your thrift stores unless your thrift stores are like, $20, $30. But yeah, that's total thrift store shirt and pants. So, okay, off to work. Hello, I'm at work and I'm hungry. I've got the egg muffins that I made this weekend. It was three eggs. And of course the bacon's all at the bottom, but I forgot to salt them, but I have salt here if I need it, but I didn't need it in that bite, so Yeah. So I'm gonna eat this and that'll be my breakfast. Okay, I just microwaved it for about 45 seconds and I am gonna put just a little salt on it. Oh, got the big one open. There we go. That'll be better next time. That's a lot of salt that come out of there. It's gonna be like, but anyway, so now it'll be easier to eat. It'll be warm and so cold in my building. That's better. Microwave it. And don't forget your salt. Speaking of don't forget to log. You've got Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. We can take a day off from logging on Thursday. And Friday, Saturday. And then at that stage, we'll see where we are. Okay, bye. By the way, my scale is staying, 167, 168, which is exactly what I want for my maintenance. So what I'm doing, the between 1900 calories seems to be where I need to be in order to maintain. So there we go. Hello, lunch is my cabbage. Oh, I forgot to add Parmesan cheese to my chronometer. Okay, I got it. Now, so this is what I made last night, and you saw it in the beginning of the video. And then I've got my ground beef with my salsa, and I strained out that extra fat that I had put in there whenever I made it 2 weeks ago. So starting, I don't know, in a couple days, I'll be getting to the stuff that I made this past weekend. I don't know how many days worth I had left before I start the next one. But anyway, so I don't know, I ain't even gonna guess. But let's see. So this is the salsa Southwestern. Definitely needs salt. And I turned it to the small holes. This morning I had it on the big holes. I think when I'm adding it to my meat, I probably need the big holes. But when you add it to something like eggs, you don't want a lot of salt. All right, let's see. Let's try the cabbage salad. I didn't go spicy because I forgot all about it. I'll try it next time. And I was wrong. Tomorrow's payday, so tomorrow's my trip to Walmart after work. Okay, bye. So my ground beef is heated up. And this is still the stuff that has the excess rendered fat. So I'm going to pour it off into the dog's broth bowl. Because they'll be happy. They'll be happy to have that excess fat. So, hang on just a second. Well, I'm a cuticle biter, so you're going to see this. I'm holding on to it. Oh, I need a new one. I made myself bleed, so I need to keep this around here. I'm a cuticle biter, so I won't show you. But I always biting around on my cuticles. So, until I bleed to death. Anyway, so it's turnips. Yep, turnips tonight, fried turnips. And then I was looking at my cabinet and I'm like, I have not used tahini in a long time. So we're going to put some tahini on here. Let's go with some tahini. Sorry about that, I had a phone call. So I put tahini on it. I don't know what stage my phone's going to lock up. So I put tahini on it. And something else that I found up there in my cabinet, and I'm like, oh, I should use some of this. It's no salt, which is basically it's potassium. So I'm going to put a little of this on it, along with some regular salt. You know me, I just grab and go. I'm going to put a little bit of cumin on it. And I think that's all I'm gonna put on it. Nope, I'm gonna put some onions on it. And I can't have onions and not garlic. So I'm gonna put a little garlic on there. There we go. Now let's get a spoon and see how it tastes. I have to hold it weird because I'm trying to put pressure on my cuticle so that way I can stop bleeding. So I can get on. I got a crochet or another hat to make. And no boy, this ain't for you. So, all right, let's see how this is gonna taste. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, just like a, let's see what's in it. Yep. Doesn't say. Oh. Chili pepper, sea salt, citric acid, dehydrated lime juice, some kind of anti-caking agent. So that's what that is. So, all right, that's going to be my supper. Oh, that's going to be my supper. And I'll see you guys later. Hey, I forgot to show you guys. I did add the water to them. And that's before I shake. And it's clearing up now. So I didn't shake all of them, but like here's one. You can tell that's awfully weak. But it's all on the bottom. Some of them are going to take more shaking and sitting longer than others. But yeah. So I'm going to just these up front. I'll drink these first because they shook up pretty well. So that's how it worked.